I'm Joseph Hughes, and this is my tech profile project. My desired field is computer programming. I chose to be a computer programmer because I've always found it interesting. I absolutely love learning how computers work and function, and the satisfaction I get when I write a small program and it works exactly how I intended it to, and the challenge it brings me when it doesn't work exactly how I intended it to. Programming has always been interesting to me, and computers in general have always been interesting to me, whether it's their hardware, their software, how to make their software, how to make the hardware, how to put it all together, and how everything works. They've always been interesting, so that's why I chose this field in particular. Here are the statistics and employment for computer programmers in the industry. You can see that the 10 percentile, which would be like starting or like the lowest level jobs you can get, start at $21.91 an hour and get about $45,000 a year. They also have a lot of employment around here in Canton, or not Canton, but Atlanta, Georgia. So there's a lot of statistics here for you. Here's some more statistics. This is the Excel spreadsheet for the statistics about how many jobs in this specific area in Georgia and their annual wage. I just copy and pasted the Excel spreadsheet here for you. Here are the 3 job listings that I chose along with my job search that I did. As you can see, one of them is software developer engineer. That one is a relocation job. Another one's another computer programming job, and that one is in Atlanta. And they all require some degree in computer programming or computer science. The other one is a program developer, software engineer. This one also requires a degree of some sort. They all require separate things. Some of them require certain hours in certain languages. Some of them require just mild experience in certain languages. Some require travel. So here, all these jobs require me to have an associate's degree in programming and a handful of other skills ranging in years of practice programming in specific languages to basic understanding of coding and a few other languages under my belt. One of these opportunities requires me to relocate permanently for the job, which may be a decent option for me, and I will definitely be looking into other relocation jobs when I get my degree. Qualifications I will gain at Chattahoochee Tech. I will be gaining my associate's degree in computer programming, along with a possible C# certification and basic comprehension of computer coding. Hopefully with these skills under my belt, I will be able to get an entry-level job somewhere and work my way up in the computer programming field. I really want to get a job in computer programming, and I really like my classes at Chat Tech right now, and I'm sure I'll like all of them from now on. And I plan on finishing very quickly and getting into an entry-level job as soon as possible. I don't want to take any breaks. I don't want to skip any semesters. I want to get it done as fast as possible. so I can get where I want to be quicker. So, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.